Okay, hear me out. Level 1 or level 4? Can anybody even make it to a level 4? Let's find out. Level 1. That just like popped my nostril right out. Look at that. That is insane. Level 2. That's even more clear. Look at that. That is crazy. Level 3. Yep, gotta do a little wiggle in there because my nose is so small. But I did it. Level 4. I don't even think I can make it to level 4. My nose is so small. Oh, can we do it? All right, with a little bit of help, we did it. Oh my gosh, that is insanely amazing. If you want life-changing breathing, I'm going to have these linked down here for you. You've got to check these out. They are life-changing.